low battery, don't let it slow you down. Start the new year fully charged with a power bank you can rely on. Whether you travel often or your Android phone is barely hanging on, having a portable charger is a total game changer. But with so many options out there, which one is right for you? We've tested the best power banks for Android users, so you'll never be left desperately searching for an outlet again. Let's dive into our top picks. Why choose a power bank? Battery cases might seem convenient, but they can be bulky, heavy, and sometimes even interfere with wireless reception. Plus, they're often designed for specific phone models. A dedicated portable charger is a smarter, more flexible choice, easy to carry, and always ready when you need it. From wire to wireless models, we've got recommendations for every need and budget. And if you're an iPhone user, while we have a separate guide for you, most of these picks will work as long as you have a lightning cable. And best power banks for Android. Let's start with the best power bank that comes with a built-in USB-C cable, the InfinityLab Instago 5000. And as a Samsung-owned Harman Kardon brand, InfinityLab delivers reliability. The Instago 5000 and Instago 10000 models have an integrated USB-C cable, so you don't need to carry extra cords. The 10,000 mAh version is a bit bulkier, but can charge most Android phones twice. Next up, for those who want a slim, high-capacity power bank with fast charging, check out the Anker 523 PowerCore Slim 10000 PD. It's incredibly thin for a 10,000 mAh battery and features a 20-watt USB-C output, along with a 12-watt USB-A output. If you're looking for even better value, the Anker 313 PowerCore Slim 10000 is slightly cheaper, but the extra speed makes the 523 model worth it. Now, if versatility is your priority, the Anker PowerCore E10000 is a solid pick. This charger offers 18-watt fast USB-C output, a USB-A port, and wireless charging up to 10 watts. Keep in mind, it's not magnetic, so your phone won't stick to it, but it does work with any QI-enabled device. Looking for something compact? The Mophie Power Station Mini 2022 is a pocket-sized powerhouse with 5000 mAh capacity and 20-watt USB-C fast charging. If you need more juice, the 10,000 mAh version with dual USB-C ports is a great option. High power options. Now, for those who want power and functionality combined, the Anker 733 power bank is a game changer. This 65W GAN charger also serves as a 10,000 mAh portable battery, making it perfect for charging not just phones, but even laptops. It has two fast charging USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Just remember, to get the full 65W power, you'll need to charge a single device at a time. If you want a wall charger with a built-in battery, the Anker PowerCore Fusion portable charger is a fantastic choice. It functions as a 5000 mAh power bank while also doubling as a wall adapter with two USB ports. Unfortunately, it's currently out of stock, but keep an eye out for restocks. Best magnetic and wireless options. For magnetic charging, the Anker 622 Mago is a great pick. It features wireless charging with an integrated stand, so you can prop up your phone while charging. It's slim and portable, though wireless speeds are capped at 7.5 watts. Another solid magnetic option is the Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini. It's slimmer than the Anker 622 and comes with a stick-on magnet for non-MagSafe phones. While it doesn't have an integrated stand, it offers reliable 5000 mAh capacity. More unique power bank options. If you want a dual charger for both iPhone and Android, check out the MyCharge Hub 4400. It includes built-in Lightning and USB-C cables along with a foldable wall plug for easy charging. It's a little bulky, but its 4400 mAh battery can nearly fully charge a phone. And for those who love gaming or watching videos, the OtterBox Folding Wireless Power Bank is a great pick. It has a built-in stand, fast 18-watt wired charging, and 10-watt wireless charging for Android. Sadly, it's also out of stock for now. Final thoughts. A portable charger can be a lifesaver, whether you need quick top-ups or all-day power. If you prefer built-in cables, go for the InfinityLab Instago. Need something slim yet powerful? The Anker 523 PowerCore Slim 10000 PD is a great choice. And if you're after a high-end charger that doubles as a laptop adapter, the Anker 733 power bank is the way to go. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech recommendations.